What's going on, everybody? Good afternoon. So check that out. We have a Freightliner Cascadia 2020. This is the one we're doing a quick video on. It's got 900 something thousand miles on it. Have a fault code. Coolant level sensor circuit failed low. Coolant level very low. Now I want to show you something really quick. This is the reservoir that we have for this. This is your coolant level sensor. I did disconnect this, but prior to that, this code was active. So chances are, if this is not sitting down properly, if there's something failed in this pigtail, you're going to need to replace it. I recommend replacing that. They do sell a little pigtail kit. My local Freightliner does sell it. I don't know about the others. We are going to replace the coolant level sensor just to be on the safe side. Very easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, guys, check that out. That is the coolant level sensor. That is the original part number 06-96622-000. Coolant level sensor. Very, very easy to remove. Very, very easy to install. It's actually just a simple twist. Wait, there we go. Twist and drop that out. You shouldn't have any antifreeze that leaks out. That's it. That's the probe. There's nothing fancy to it. It does have a little O-ring seal down there at the bottom. Take a look at our new one here. We're going to crack that open really fast. Trying to do this all with one hand. All right, guys, sorry about that. I did have to put the phone down. So here's your new sensor. Very, very simple. All you're going to do, let me back this up a little bit. We get a better view. You can see it's got these little notches right in there. And you're going to go ahead and insert that. Push that in, and then you're going to give it a little turn. Check that out. Okay, a little bit of a turn. There we go. Turn, turn, turn. Locks right into place. That's it. Sensor's in. None of this taking coolant out like the old one. The one thing we are going to have to do, let me see here, bear with me, guys, is replace the little pigtail. I just want to be on the safe side. Again, they do sell a little kit from Prominence, something like that. Anyway, what I'm going to do is put the new pigtail in, put that in, test, and verify my repairs, and that's pretty much it. So let's get the new pigtail on, test, confirm, and release the truck. All right, guys, here we go. Here is the part number for the pigtail that you're going to need. It's made by Prominence or whatever they are. Prominence. Anyway, that's it. It's a very universal plug that you're going to find at your local Freightliner. We have it here at Velocity. So that's pretty much what you're going to do. Like for like, pin for pin. It's a nice little kit that comes with it. I am going to put some loom and some electric tape so it looks a little more presentable. And then literally all you're going to do is plug it in and use this lock to lock it in place. So again, plug it in, lock, and you're ready to go. Let me quickly show you how that looks, and you guys decide for yourself. It only goes one way. It's in, locked into place. You're all done.